Mr. Sandman, bring me.
Developing now at 10, a man slips away from a state hospital. Now police are trying to track him down.
Let's get right to Eyewitness News reporter Roxy Bustamante live at the hospital.
Roxy, do we know how this guy got out?
Aaron, I'm told the patient hopped the fence and then was seen walking away here in front of the facility where you see security stationed here tonight. Now, I'm told that the man is believed to be endangered. Now, this is an inpatient psychiatric hospital, and I want to show you a picture of this patient. Take a look at him. This is
Mr. Sandman.